This race is for winners only!
I didn't come to prove anything. I came to try.
My car is not as fast. Then drive it with your heart.
Ready, set, go! Woohoo! This is fun! Try to keep up! I'm right behind you!
Speed is good, but control is better.
I'm winning! Woo! This is so fun! Fantastic! Go! Don't stop because of me!
Winning without kindness is not winning.
Today, we didn't just see a respectful character.
You taught us all something today. Do your best and be kind. Do your best and be kind. Follow for more Teddy stories.